All right, so we reached the port where you catch the boat at. So from the station 3 all the way from here, the for the e-bike or the e-trike will charge you 250 pesos. Okay, once again, the e-bike, I don't know what you call those, but it will cost you 250 pesos from station 3 where we at to here at the boat port. So the terminal fee costs 150. 150. $150 pesos, and then I guess you gotta buy the boat ticket for the boat. And I can see ticket for the boat costs about 160 pesos per person. Just put Manila, don't put it. Just, they don't need all that information. So here's the price for the airport, 160. If you go to Calibo Airport, 300. This is the airport that we need to go. And if you want to go to Ilo City, 700. Boat ticket. The price, transfer service, 160, 300. Salamat kuya. Where? Alright. Okay. Hello. That's it? Alright. Thank you. Alright. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Sun is out. Where's the ticket? 3 tickets. Kuya, tatlo? Tatlo, kuya. Salamat, kuya. You get the numbers right there. Yeah. And we are, watch your step. And we are back where we supposed to take the boat ride. This is the life. Unfortunately, we had to go back, but I'm definitely going back. Get it? So, MB Mermaid, and that's the boat, MB Mermaid. too steep. It looks like the U.S. Navy out here. I need one too.
Going down.
Ma, hold on, ha. Ako muna. Let me go first. Just in case. Oh shit. It's very steep. Salamat po.
Wala naman.
Ma, be careful. I made it. Alright, so we're about to dock. It went about 15 minutes. We're docking now. And it looks like we are on time to catch that flight. So thank you, bro. Thanks, Kuya.
Let's see the tricycle.
Tatlo.
Tatlo, no? Tayo.
Tama.
Can you check? Hindi magkasya. Oh, ayan. Okay.
Okay na. kuya. Sa airport, saan ba yun? Yan lang Salamat kuya. Thank you.